Okay, hello and welcome everybody for today's live stream. Let's see who's here. We have 6 current viewers, 3 likes. Hello and welcome everybody. Today it's live trading again from the NASDAQ. And it's the second live trading after my vacation. Okay, so one thing at the beginning. We have 3 current viewers. One thing at the beginning, I'm not 100% sure if I will continue live trading here on Ethereum channel next week, because yesterday I did an analysis of my trades since I do live trading, because yesterday I told you that I don't feel like trading. It's a little bit pressure. And this was one reason or one impulse to also analyze my trading performance since live trading and before. And I realized that my trading performance since I do live trading is only 1/4 of the performance than before without live trading. And the reason is it's just emotional pressure that I put on myself, being profitable for you or being profitable in public. Of course, this is something I need to work on. This is nothing you need to work on. But I think we will continue here. I need to talk to the Ethereum team. But I think I want to continue a little bit different with this live stream, because I have also the feeling that a lot of you and also the viewers afterwards don't have time at this US stock market opening. So we want to get more viewers, we want to engage more people, we want to educate more people, we want to give more value to people. And I think just live trading 1 hour US stock market opening will not be there. Yeah, Volker is saying, just imagine we were not there. Yes, of course. But I need to do all the preparation. I need to set up my screens. I need to do this live trading. I need to do this. So there are certain steps I need to do. Check my microphone if everything is working, and this kind of stuff is totally different than just trading by yourself. So we will continue. I think next week we will continue in a little bit different format, and we will have a live stream at least once a week in the evening. I think it is good to have a live stream in the evening. And then my idea is to go through the markets and see potential trading opportunities and do some more analysis. And where is the market going? What do we see in the indicators? Analysis and education, and not live trading. So this is my idea. Maybe you could go back after and show us some example trades you took. Yes, something like this. So once a week, a live stream in the evening, where most of also no Pink Piggy. I mean, it's late in the night. I know that you live in the US, not living in the US. You're living in Australia, so for you it will be late in the night. But I think this also, the recording is available the next days. Of course, always the recording will be available, and this will bring more clarity and more information to the people, how we use volume ventures, how we use volume analysis, how we use order blocks to find good opportunities, also swing trading opportunities, not only intraday opportunities, also swing trading opportunities in the markets. So this is my idea, and we go through all the markets, to most of the future markets, to the interesting markets, and I think this will give more value to people than just doing here an intraday trading session for 1 hour every day. And of course, it puts a lot of pressure to myself. So let's do trading today. So in 20 minutes, we have S&P Global Manufacturing PMI, 15 minutes after the stock market opening. So we have 50 minutes to trade. Yes. Let's see. Of course, your ideas are really welcome, okay? In the Albertarium channel, Albertarium Discord channel. Go to Albertarium, join the Discord channel, and of course, you can write in the, what do we have, a public square talk, I think. There would be, I would love to see your recommendations for, or your ideas for this live stream, what we can do and bring more value to you. Okay. Good. So we have 4 minutes to the opening. Pink Piggy, it will be a little bit like a little insider week, but much better, I think. Okay. More details from my point of view. Good. So here we see in the NASDAQ is trading all-time highs. So who of you did long trades yesterday after the trading session? Look at this. We had a great bottom building process yesterday, also the day before, right? Nice long trades, new all-time highs. The NASDAQ crushed it today, made this new all-time highs in the early morning session. And so I think everything will be long, still long and bullish. Google presented nice earnings yesterday, got gapped higher, so everything is trading higher. We see on the 50-minute chart, we don't see any volume here, nothing colorful. But on the 5-minute chart, we saw a good opportunity here at the bottom. Come on, volume Ventures is loading. So I think you see these colorful candles here. Nice trading opportunity. Nice. When the color goes there, it's time to enter somewhere here, somewhere there, somewhere in the next candles and trade back to VWAP. So now we are at the VWAP here on the 5-minute chart, and decision-making process is there, right there. 2 more minutes to the open. Long and strong, straight through, or a little correction. Oh, what do we have here? It's not working. Nice, there we go. So we see some colorful candles on the 1-minute chart. So this might be a top building process or a continuation phase. I think if the opening is strong, we should buy. We will wait 1 more minute. Oh, I need to switch my accounts back. Okay. And for example, Volker, if I don't talk while trading, you know? Why should I talk while trading? If I trade for my own. Okay, 1 more minute. Let's see what we got. Huge volume is coming. Getting a little bit absorbed currently at the VWAP. It's not the best trading location. Okay, it's a short impulse. We will see if they continue in short direction. I haven't clicked the button yet. It's a diddle. It's a VWAP diddle. It's long, yes. So it's long. I entered long 1 now at 390. and the highs, we want to see new highs here, higher prices than 400. So 402 is the first target. We are right there. Oh God, come on. Bum, 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 bum. I think all this is still a buying opportunity here. So increase one. My average is at 377. Now we should see a continuation to the upside. Oh, no. Maybe buyers, sellers are coming back and take some more liquidity at the downside. I think yes. The range is very small today. Let's see the other markets. Oh, Dow Jones selling off. But I think this is not a big problem. Google gapped higher. Maybe they closed the gap. So if we trade lower as this level, 300, so I'm still long. Okay, I have a wide stop, guys. And trade small. From my point of view, all this here are buying opportunities. We need to see when we want to scale in some more. No reaction yet. Oh, we have 10 more minutes for the news. Buying opportunities. Yes. So this is also the thing. I think I would have traded if you would not be there. I would have increased one more here, and not there, but at 355. But because I talk it, it's so we have yes. Should buy this thing. It's a diddle today. It's not moving that much. Since 1 minute before the open, 376, and now we have 352. It's not moving. Waiting for news. What do we have? S&P Global Manufacturing, PMI, and new home sales. Dow Jones is selling off. What is the Dow doing? Not going to all-time highs. Why? Okay. But they are also working on the bottom building process here in the Dow. Yes. S&Ps. Everybody want to trade to all-time highs, I think. But they want to fake. So I'm still long, waiting for this market to play out. Maybe we should increase one here. Let's see. The volume is not yet good. Short volume. No, not yet. We might see some colorful candles in short direction. And then it's time to increase. Still open book loss. Okay. I think we trade to this 327. And then it's time to increase. More shorts coming in. Usually this should like boost also the indices. Like Dow Jones is selling off, NASDAQ is holding strong, S&P also 0.2. So if the Dow Jones is finishing its bottom building process and will trade again to the upside, it will lift also technology stocks. So we need to wait a little bit here. And this bottom building process finalizing the bottom building process in the Dow Jones. I think in the Dow Jones it's even better buying opportunities here at the bottom than in the NASDAQ. But anyway, we'll trade the NASDAQ and we'll wait to increase in size. You can also, if you don't have a position, you can also trade short. I mean, to this 327. But now I'm long, so we'll wait and see how the reaction is at this level, at the 327. Until then, we need to be patient. Volker, I'm using the same TradingView templates as you do, but since one day I have running error on VWAP and impulse system, I started again, but still have. Yes, Volker, I don't know what happened. With me, it's working. Everything is working fine. I will send you the VWAP and the impulse system as a doc file, okay? As a TXT file, so you have the indicators as your own indicators. News soon. Yes, 3 minutes to the news. What to do? Reduce one. Realize some open book loss. Protect. I think this news will be a non-burger. It will maybe cause some short-term violence, but it's not such a big issue. So we might reduce one and then stay with one and trade increase again after the news. 2 more minutes to the news. Moving to the upside. So I will maybe reduce one here. Yes, reduce one here. So only one contract short direction, realized a little bit open book loss, and we wait for the news reaction and then increase again. Yes. Dow Jones being strong, staying strong. Let's watch the Dow Jones and trade in the 50-minute chart. See when the color is going. So nothing has changed for the news, no reaction, nothing at all. So we can increase again. in size. Yeah, increase again to 2. Button building process is in place. Still a lot of short traders here in the 1 minute chart. Oh yes, if they all get squeezed out, will be a nice new all-time highs. Now this can be one target, the 300. 414 or 400. Where's my target? So put my target to 414. 414. 414, yes. 414.0, a little bit below all-time highs. It's a little bit small, this position. 2 contracts long. Well, okay. Let's keep it. So I will scale out 1 at 402. Sorry, 402. There we go. 402. Right there in the close. Oh, come on. You can do it. Just took the 400. You can also take the 400 too. $400.00. You see this? Wow, they traded just the 400. Okay, there they come again. Come on, guys. The 402, you can take them. 401. Oh. Don't want to take the 402. I think they will come back. Okay, working again on a white candle here. I will increase. No, I will. What do I do? I will delete my. Increase my target. For 14 is right there. You see the color on the Dow Jones here on the left on the 15-minute chart. It's now getting white. And it's a bottom building process. It's a bottom building process in the Dow Jones. And the NASDAQ, we need to scale in. Somewhere. When do we scale in again? maybe at VWAP. Okay, I scale in one here at 384, no, 383. Keeping one target at 402 and the others at 414. Yes, row Z's, I have taken trades. I'm 3 contracts long in the NASDAQ. My average entry is at 373. I trade on a different screen. You don't see my executions because it's easier for me, you know. Mentally, you know this mental game in trading? You know the mental game, right? Everything is mentally. So I think the Dow Jones is in a bottom building process. NASDAQ is trading to new all-time highs. Yes, bottom building process in the Dow Jones. And this might move the US indices a little bit more high, a little higher. But everything is like very calm today. Not that super impulsive. No impulses, no real movements. Trading back at the VWAP. Buyers, where are you? They need some more time to do all their transactions. Okay. Selling off again. So today is a little bit different trading style as usual. It didn't went into my direction immediately. So we need to manage things. It's a range bound day, range bound opening, really range bound, and we should buy at the bottom and sell at the top. The selling at the top did not work yet. We have news in 6 minutes, and buying at the bottom also did not work. Getting closer to the bottom again. And the Dow Jones is in this bottom building process. So buy the lows, sell the highs. We are somewhere close to the middle. My average entry is at 373. It's also pretty in the middle, right? 372, 373 is at the VWAP. So it's not the best entry. Let's say it's the worst entry. What happens to the Dow Jones? We have news in 4 minutes. We need to see some things in the Dow. So it's waiting. The market is forming a B shape, a D shape, and then look at this D in the NASDAQ. Nice D. Point of control is here. We should buy the lows and sell the highs. And it's moving in a very small range today without any movements, without any big movements. This is like small, 400 at the top, 330 at the bottom. It's 80-point range. Oh, within the first half hour. So we need to wait for higher prices. But it might be difficult, right? Longer we hang in here. Rotation is down. No volume. Dow Jones made it. Nice. And the news, also nothing. Nothing for new home sales, no reaction. Same as the previous one. Today is not a news day. Dow Jones made the bottom, finished the bottom building process, and is moving now higher. NASDAQ is selling off a little bit, but we still should think of buying the bottoms. Okay, increased one contract here at 355. You know this diddle markets? It's a diddle market. It can go anywhere. It can go up and it can go down. It can get liquidity at the bottom, get liquidity at the top. So that's what it is doing now. It's getting liquidity at the bottom. 333 is the next liquidity zone. And then of course the 327. So today is a market where you can trade in long and short direction. Look at this range. But you should trade from the top to the bottom and from the bottom to the top. So Dow Jones is going higher. Look at this, yes, nice. Bottom building process finished. And NASDAQ is in the range. Trying to touch the bottom, get more liquidity and then move higher. So we should buy the bottoms. Where is the bottom? If we see one colorful candle on the 1 minute chart, it's definitely the bottom. Okay, so it's a difficult situation now because yes, a final move of down would be nice, like a final flush to a 327, 3 this. This would be really nice. Nice to buy. Yes, it would be nice to buy, but it's not coming. That's what I'm waiting for, but it's not coming. It's just going up and down around the point of control and not going to pre-market lows. This would be really nice to get this 327 again. But it's not. Come on, now we can do another one, another test. Or they just rally straight through to the upside. Still sitting and waiting here. My average entry is at 369 now. Right at the VWAP. Open positions below and above. Not that good. In the end, being successful is always like risk and money management and respecting the ranges, seeing if it's a range or a trend market. And today it looks really like a range market with in the overall uptrend. So we did make new all-time highs, didn't we? Dow Jones having an inside bar. Yes, NASDAQ trading higher today in the morning. High 2418, 422, yes, 4 points. And yes, same. Also made new highs, 3 points. Okay, nice. So we should buy the dips. Come on, guys. We should buy the dips now. Yes, there is the flush. There we are coming. Come on. Yes. Opened one contract here at 329. And another one. This is the liquidity zone here. So now we have 6 contracts in long direction. Average entry price 355. And we will scale out at the VWAP. The VWAP is at 70, 70. This was the buying opportunity of the day here. I think so. Currently trading again at these levels. Okay. Testing again. Yes. Good. So how does it look on the 5-minute chart? Let's take a look on the 5-minute chart. Yes, looks similar. No participation here at these levels so far. So this is now critical. We need to go now to the upside. Ooh, where's my stop? This is what we need to think of. Where is my exit strategy? Okay, if we continue lower, far lower, then I need to scale out. Okay, scale out 1. We have a colorful candle on the 1-minute chart now. When the color goes, we can scale in again. I still think this is buying opportunities. Yes, got colorful candles on the 1-minute chart. Absorption now, positive candle, negative volume. So I think we can scale in here again. Yes, still looks long. I guess yesterday's value area high. Yes, I think so too. It still looks long. Yesterday's value area high. Yeah, not yet there. But at this level, 300 level, still looks long. This is the problem in these bull markets. Where is the bottom of a which is the bottom to buy? When to buy the dip? Is this the dip now? So S&P has some room to the downside. Also trading lower. S&P has some room to trade, some more room to trade to the downside. If the S&P goes lower, it would mean the Dow Jones, the NASDAQ would continue lower as well. Okay, nice. 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 Now we should stay above this 320. Yes, nice. Nice. This is a nice green candle coming. Okay, so I lowered my target to 360. I want to get out at 360 to realize some, to finish the day and to accept that I was wrong in the beginning. My entries were not super good. I increased here at this lower end a lot. 8 contracts long now. So I'm happy with 360. 360 is below VWAP at this area here. 360 is. I'm happy to go if the market goes to 360. I'm out finishing the day in profit. Okay. So my average entry is now at 360. Is there, right there, 338. Right there. Of course, I have some open book loss realized because I closed 2 contracts in loss and increased again a little bit lower. Oh, come on, guys, you can do it. 340, 339. Okay, they need to take the 340. This is this level here. Yes, Come on. Take the 340. Okay, nice. Nice impulse to the upside. I took the 340. Continue to a 60 would be a nice move, and then I'm out. Trading again lower. Okay, Jones. Colorful candles in short direction are buying opportunities on the low in uptrends. So especially on the 5 and 10, 15-minute chart. But we need to be patient. Oh. Okay, I think we at yesterday's value area high looks long. Yeah, so you mean regular trading hours? Yes. Okay. I think I need to finish my trading session soon. Hi, George. Good to see you. So what to do? I'm close to end my trading session. The market is in a short diddle, but I like the word diddle. But looks like a bottom building process here. And so there are two opportunities. One opportunity is to close the day with a little loss. I'm 8 contracts long with the average entry price, which is there at 337, right there. And having two contracts like realized with a little open book loss. Or we can have the other strategy is like having a stop, just put the stop in place at this lows to protect the stop, and having the target just in target at 360. This could be that. This could be also one strategy. What to do? Both have pros and cons. The one closing the day, finishing the day now, has the pro that we are out. We don't need to waste our emotional time with sitting in the profit or sitting in a position and doing something else, accepting the loss. Okay. I'm not sure what to do. Usually I close my trades before I leave. But we can also explore the other situation, like having the stop over there and over here, and the targets over here, right below VWAP. I think this should be a reasonable target, not too high, and the NASDAQ will reach it. This is a little bit above point of control from today. Oh, 1 minute here, and there we should see 15 minutes. This is a little bit above point of control. 60 is point of control of today. So I think I do it like this. We leave this trade open. I leave this trade open, having a stop at 295. I have it at 297, but let's move it to 295. 295. 295.0. Zero, zero. Okay, and the target at 360.00. There we go. Yes, we do it like this. And we'll let the market play out. Dow Jones is in this upward move, taking all the loss from early session, gaining it back. S&P 500 also in an upward rotation again, is even stronger as the Dow Jones, as the NASDAQ, now trading above these highs, and the NASDAQ hanging in as the technology stock index, but should trade to these highs, to this value area, to point of control again. Point of control again, reach point of control, and then maybe move lower and or move higher. Decide. This is from my point of view. Also, when we look at the 15-minute chart, on the 15-minute chart, like it's a bottom building process here, and it might go again to VWAP because it touched VWAP previously a couple of times. So this is the trading setup. We wait. I will end live trading today. We will have live trading session tomorrow again, but tomorrow it will be a little bit shorter because it's Friday. And yeah, wish you a successful trading session. Stay tuned. And yeah, be prepared what's coming. I talked to the people in the beginning. Nobody is there anymore. Thank you for your time, for your questions. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.